Welcome. This is Bruce. Bruce is a 2004 Roadtrek Popular 210. Today I'm going to show you how to change the porch light on Bruce. It's really easy. It looks like there's nothing you can do, but you just push on one side and tilt it out sideways, and there it's off. And then you reach in, push in, and turn, twist, and out it comes. Simple. So we're going to be replacing the original incandescent bulb with these LED bulbs that I got from Amazon. Do your research, make sure that you don't get any that are too long or too wide. And when we open this, you'll notice that these are actually a little bit shorter and not quite as wide as this one, so that's good. It has to fit in the space for it. Okay, we're going to install this new LED bulb into the porch light. Trying not to touch the LEDs or the components. Twist it until it goes in, and then push and twist some more, and that's installed. Now we'll try turning it on. Okay, we've replaced the light. Now we'll see if it works. Look at that. Brighter than the old one and less than half the power with the LED. Now we'll put the cover back on and we'll be in business. Done. This is Bruce.